Hey guys! So we're back in Connecticut.
We're finally home from tour, and so today is the very last of the YouTube takeovers.
That's right. Today we have Marek Senior and Marek Junior from Marek Fitness, and they're making you an awesome recipe. Take it away, guys.
Hello everybody, this is Marek Junior and Marek Senior. We're from Marek Fitness. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram. Hello everybody, this is Marek Junior. This is Marek Senior. We run an account called Marek Fitness, and today we're gonna cook for you. We're gonna make broccoli, cauliflower, shepherd's pie using turkey meat, and obviously we're gonna use broccoli and cauliflower in our mash.
And trees.
Are you ready? Let's go! As you can see, these are our ingredients. We're gonna start with some organic lean ground turkey, 1 pound, 1 cup of broth, 2 smaller heads of broccoli, 4 cloves of garlic, half a head of cauliflower, 1 cup of marinara sauce, some peppercorns, diced onion, Parmesan cheese, Himalayan pink salt, 2 or 3 cups of frozen veggies, and 1.5 tablespoons of avocado oil. So we have our oil on medium-high or medium. Then we're gonna add our onion. It should take about, 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, our onion is nice and almost golden and translucent. Now we're gonna add the turkey. We're gonna brown it nicely. So now that I don't have any more pink pieces of meat, I'm gonna add veggies. I'm gonna add 1 cup of broth and make sure it all cooks together. You want to mix it well, and as you're getting the veggies to be nice and warm, the same temperature as the meat and everything else, the broth is gonna slowly evaporate. And now that our mixture is nice and steamy, the broth slowly evaporating, we're gonna add the marinara sauce, just like that. To make it a little more thicker and yummier, we're gonna add a little more Parmesan cheese, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. I mean, you're making 4 or 5 servings, so 2 tablespoons pretty much. And mix it all well, and then take it off the heat and let it just sit for a little bit so it comes all together. Here you can see what the mixture looks like. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit while I prepare the mash and prepare the pan to put this in and bake it in. To make the broccoli cauliflower mash, we're gonna take broccoli and cauliflower, cut them in smaller pieces, and we're gonna steam each of them for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna add garlic, steamed vegetables, and a little Parmesan cheese, put it in a blender or in a food processor and mash it all until we get our consistency. So here you can see this is the steamed broccoli and steamed cauliflower. I'm gonna put it in a blender or food processor, whatever you have at home. Here you can see how it looks after a few pulses. So you may have to toss it around a little bit, make sure the sides come down, and pretty much blend it well. It's getting there. We preheated the oven to 375. Now we're gonna add the mixture in here. Now we're gonna put our mash on top. If you want to make your mash stick together better, you can always add egg into it, and it will make a little thicker consistency and stick together better. As you can see, it comes right off the blender, looks pretty good. Obviously you want to add spices to your liking. I don't do too spicy because my boy is picky eater and I can barely get him to eat vegetables, but if I make it tasty enough and not too much spices, he will eat it. Look at that. Boom! Parmesan. You don't have to, just a little on top. So check this out. I just took it out after 25, roughly, or 30 minutes out of the oven. This is our turkey, cauliflower, broccoli, shepherd's pie. Right there. You can see how the bubbles came on the side. Beautiful. So let's get a piece. Look at this. Clean, beautiful. See, nice steaming dish.
Good poppy seeds.
Yum. Alright, since I'm a vegetarian, it's time for taste test. And who else if not my son? He is not a vegetarian. So let's go. Open Open your mouth big. Chew, very good.
Yummy.
Dobre? Very good.
I know.
It passed. Chew. Yeah. So again, look at the ingredients, look at the directions under the video. Follow it. Feel free to add your spices or add egg into the topping, to the cover. It's gonna make the mash a little harder. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Marek Jr., Marek Sr. We run YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook called Marek Fitness. Again, M-A-R-E-K, Marek Fitness. We try to show step-by-step directions for recipes, eating healthy, some other tips. We meal prep a lot. So yeah, come show us some love. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thanks guys! I know your fit family are gonna love it. If you post pictures on Instagram, make sure to tag both of us so we can see them. And
Next week, we'll be back to our regular scheduled programming.
that's right. Bye guys! Namaste.